If you're an online coach stuck under $5,000 a month, the truth is it's not content, it's not ads, it's not outreach, and it's not your offer. It's your strategy keeping you broke. And I'm going to review to you the entire strategy I used to scale past $12,000 a month, as well as some of my clients, as you can see over here. So let's get into you right now. So you're posting consistently. You're posting content every single day. Nothing's converting. All the gurus told you, show up every single day. And you are showing up every single day. You're sharing value. You're dropping gems. You're staying visible in the industry. But sales? None. You're not getting any sales. Every launch, every post, it feels like you just flip a coin. It doesn't land. You're working harder. You're working hard like 12 hours a day. Even like 8+ hours a day. But you're not getting paid more. You build something, right? You've built something solid. But it's not selling itself. You have a community, maybe even a school group or a one-to-one offer. But whenever you pitch on a sales call, it just feels awkward. You keep hearing, oh, I can't afford it. I have to think about it. Oh, I'm not ready right now. It's not. What if it doesn't work for me? And you're just wondering, do I need to lower my prices, add more value, maybe even rebuild my entire thing? You're afraid to charge more. So you're selling a low ticket. You charge $197, maybe max $997, and you're exhausted because you're trying to find 5 to 10 clients a month just to survive. And every time you're thinking about raising your price, you ask yourself, who's going to pay me that? Who's going to pay me $5K for this? And you just keep thinking, I need more leads, I need more leads, I need more leads. You believe your offer's solid, but your calendar's empty. So your calendar doesn't reflect your offer. And you're just waiting for something to hit, something to blow up. Maybe a reel, maybe a DM, maybe you close a sales call in accident. Just anything. Because every day you're like pressing the refresh button, like a refresh button with no real traction. The results are unpredictable. And your confidence just gets crushed. You look successful online. Like if you look at your Instagram profile, you look like you're printing money. You might even have the blue tick as well. But you feel like a fraud offline. Like inside, you know you're not making money because your audience is growing. Your revenue isn't scaling, and deep down, you know you're the problem. Now, why are you stuck? Well, the reason is because you're relying on content without a conversion system. You've built a content routine, not a content machine. You're educating and not enrolling. You have no CTAs, no DM flow, no follow-up process. You're just waiting for something to hit. You don't need more reels. You need a system that turns content into conversations, and then from that into calls, and then calls into clients. You're still building a business like a freelancer, not a CEO. You have to understand you have to work on the business, not in the business. You're chasing clients one at a time. You have no clear offer stack, no framework, no path to scale. So you say yes to everything. And the truth is, a real business has a pipeline, not panic. You have an offer, but it's unpositioned. You're selling sessions, not outcomes. You describe what they get instead of what they achieve. And you're actually offering coaching, not a transformation. And people don't want to pay for your time. They want to pay for their own future. Now you have no lead engine, no consistent system to bring in fresh attention daily. You're relying on referrals, algorithms, you pray every single day. You're not using content, DMs, systems, or any structure in sync. And if your leads stop, your income stops. So no correlation there. Now, if you're already seeing how powerful this system is, which I'm about to show you guys, and you want to book in a one-to-one implementation call for me to implement this into your entire business, second link in the description. And book in a call with me and my business partner to see if we're a good fit for working together. Now, let's review the solution to all this. I know I built up all this pain. Now let's actually give me the entire value and give you the solution. So here is the exact 5 to 10K a month breakthrough system. It's a 3-step system, and yeah, let's get into it. So step 1 is to productize your offer. Now, what this basically means is you want to create a high-ticket container with a clear transformation, not open-ended coaching. For example, I help you lose 30 kg of your fat. I help you make 10K a month in the next 90 days. I help you generate 100 qualified leads in the next month. I help you book 50 qualified calls in your calendar the next month. A clear transformation, not open-ended coaching. I'm going to give you 5 coaching calls with me in the next week. Now, next thing is going to include 3 to 5 steps. Now, these 3 to 5 steps are your unique mechanism to get people to the result. For example, mine is the poison framework. You can have the ascension framework. You can have the golden trifecta. Whatever it is, just name it something unique, and it's a 5-step system which you implement into the client's business that gets them results. You give it a name, build an identity around it. For example, I help coaches go from 1K a month to 10K a month in 90 days using the poison system. Pretty simple, pretty catchy as well, poison. Just want to find an acronym that's very catchy. That's step 1 done, is to productize your offer. Step 2 now is just content. So you want to stop creating content that just gets views, because that's a content creator, and if you look at most content creators, they're all broke. You want to start creating content like an entrepreneur. Start creating content that creates conversations. Examples of this is like you're shifting beliefs, it's polarizing, you're focused on pain, like you're creating pain and story driven. And you want to end every post with DM me the word traffic if you want this result. Comment below if you want the entire system. Really easy CTA, and people are going to start acting on it the more traction you get. And now the final step of the entire system is lead flow. So you want to build a 60-minute daily process. So you want to do this every single day. You want to spend 10-15 minutes just warming up past leads. You want to follow up with story viewers, for example. I'll just open up Instagram on my phone and I'll just go through stories. Most likely I follow all my leads and all the warm leads. So I just go, I like their stories. I reply to the stories by swiping up and clicking like any emoji and stuff. And just gets me in the game, just gets me understood, like I'm here and more likely to give a response. It is much better than sending a cold DM as well. You want to engage when posts with buying intent, so look at posts like people that actually have money, start reaching out to them, and you need to DM call to actions in your, not even school community, on your Instagram posts, on your YouTube videos as well. And final thing, you want to use some sort of CRM or tracker just to stay consistent, because if you don't have a tracking sheet, trust me, everything's going to fall apart and you're not going to track any leads, meaning you're not going to get any closes. And there's a really good saying, I don't know who made it up, but whatever you don't track, you can't improve. And obviously if you can't improve something, you're not going to make money from it. So really, really good to have a school tracking sheet. And obviously, if you want a full tracking sheet built out for you, join my free school. It can be first thing in the description. And if you're tired of making 1 to 3K a month and you're ready to hit your first 10K a month, book in a call with me down below to turn them into consistent 10K a month.